Pink Hands of Hope has been helping women battling cancer since 2009.
The founder's wife got breast cancer, and he found out that there wasn't a lot of places that would help get wigs and products and services that you need. If you fell into the, you're not poor enough to get free, but you're not rich enough to pay the bills. So he decided to do it through thrift store because he had a lot of friends that would donate items, and he started selling those items, and that's how he founded Pink Hands of Hope. That's how he got his seed money.
The store caters to women, men, and teens, selling clothing, shoes, and more.
Jewelry is a big seller of ours. We sell a lot of jewelry, purses, as you can see. We sell a lot of purses. We do, we really sell a lot of purses. So purses, jewelry, shoes, boots, clothing. If they have those donations, we are open. Anytime that we are open, we accept donations.
Sales help support programs offered by Pink Hands of Hope.
One of the programs is, we call it Helping Hands, and anybody that can't pay their medical bills when they're going through breast cancer, we help them. They actually send their medical bills to us, and we pay the doctors directly. We also have a program that's called Miles of Hope that I started when I came here, because when I came here, I think gas was like $2.50 a gallon, which is high enough, but now it's at $4. Again, if you're going to the doctors 5 days a week, which a lot of patients do, that can really hit your budget.
Volunteers keep the store running and find their way here through different paths, but the big pink chair out front seems to be a beacon.
I've been volunteering a little over a year for Pink Hands of Hope. I was visiting my brother here. He lives here in Mechanicsburg, and I kept driving by and seeing that large pink chair and thought, I'm going to go in there. So when I came in, I thought, it's just such a nice boutique, and someone had said about volunteering, and I signed up immediately. So I'm thrilled to work here.
Well, I moved back up to Pennsylvania in 2021 after my husband passed away, and I spent about 6 months just trying to figure out what I wanted to do. And so I was on the way to the library to see if I could volunteer at the library, and I passed Pink Hands, and I'm like, I wonder what that's all about. So I went in the store and filled out a volunteer application, and Deb called me maybe the next day or two and said, come on in and check us out. It'll be the pink chair, yes, pink, and then just said Pink Hands of Hope, and I just wondered, I thought maybe it was like novelties or, things like that. I didn't realize it was a thrift store.
Friday Fran has been helping since the beginning.
Did almost everything that there was around here. I had the cash register, I had people come in, I was trying to get the clothes done and everything like that, because there was nobody else to do it except me. So I just did whatever had to be done for about 2 years before they got anybody else to come in and work with me.
The biggest reward for all the volunteers is helping other women.
And I used to have to work the wig room, and they would come in and I'd show them everything we could do for them, what we had for them. They could have everything free wigs and everything like that. And when they'd come in, they'd start crying, telling me what was wrong. And when they went out, they were smiling. They had smiles all over their face, and it just made me feel so good because I was able to tell them everything that they could get all free, and we would be helping them as much as what we could.
The thing that I like the best is just talking to the people that may have just been newly diagnosed, and just encouraging them, as my husband passed away from cancer, and just encouraging them to be a support person, to be an advocate, go with their loved one, make sure that you take advantage of all the things that are offered, especially here, all the things that we have in the wig room. And it's not just wigs, it's bras and all the other things that a woman needs.
Just helping the women. We know that when we sell our clothing, all of our profits are going to help these women. And when they come in and they're going through treatment and they've lost their hair, it's so nice to be able to fit them with a wig and they walk out all smiles. That's what I like to do.
We build a relationship with them, so they want to come back and tell us how they're doing and where they're at, and then sometimes there's other products and services that we can offer them.
Pink Hands of Hope is on Trindle Road in Mechanicsburg and is open Monday 10 to 5, Wednesday 10 to 7, and Saturday 11 to 3. Just look for the big pink chair. If you have items to donate or would like to learn more about volunteering, follow the QR code on the screen. For CBS 21 News, I'm Candace Scalise.